Hello, my shining stars. How are you all? Welcome back to our channel. I am back with subject EVS. Yes, children, in EVS subject, we had started our term 2 syllabus, right? In that term 2 syllabus, we have completed our 2 chapters, right? First chapter was my home. Right, children? In my home, what did you study? Yes, you studied that you live in the house. A house protect you from heat, cold and rain. Right? After that you learned there are different kinds of houses. There are pakka houses which are made up of bricks and cement. There are many kacha houses which are made up of mud, straw and dry grass. And there are number of buildings and number of floors in which many of the houses are there that are known as buildings or flats. Right, children? Yes. And you also learned that we perform different activities in different room. Am I right? Yes. You learned that whenever a friends or relatives come to your home, you make them sit in the living room. Right, children? जहाँ पे टीवी होती है या फिर कोई गेस्ट आते हैं वहाँ पे आप बिठाते हैं उनको सोफा पे. राइट? दैट रूम इज नोन एज लिविंग रूम. ओके. After that you learn that you take your meals in the dining room. आप खाना कौन से रूम में खाते हैं? Yes, dining room में. After that you learned that your mama cooks very delicious food in the kitchen. Right, children? Yes. You also learned that you take a good sound sleep in the bedroom. Am I right? Yes. After that, what did you learn? Yes, you take a bath in the bathroom. So these are the different activities which you perform in different rooms of your house. So in this way we studied our chapter number 1, and after that we had started our chapter number 2. What was the name of the chapter? Yes, my school, which right now you are missing the most. Yes, you learned that you come to school to read, to write, to sing, to draw, to learn and do many of the cultural activities. Right? And your teacher helps you regarding your studies, your lesson plans, and you learn that there are number of floors in the school, and in the number of floors there are number of rooms in which you also perform various activities. First was classroom, in which you come and sit, read, write and learn. After that you learned in the library. You may go to read the books in the library lecture or in the free lecture, right? After that you learned that in the office, who sits? Yes, principal ma'am or sir, right? In the office, principal ma'am or principal sir sits. Principal is the head of the school. Yes, children? Yes, and in the office there are various departments where they are sitting to collect the fees, which is known as admin area. I told you in the lecture. Do you remember? Yes. After that you learned in the playground, you go to play in the sports lecture. After that you learned that there are various labs also, like math lab, STEM lab, which you will learn in the higher grades. Right, children? Yes. So, in today's EVS lecture, we are going to start our new chapter. Chapter number 3, Plants Around Us. Which chapter we are going to start? Plants Around Us. So, children, plants around us नाम सुनते ही आपकी आंखों के आगे plants आ जाते हैं, trees आ जाती है, right? पेड़ पौधे, nature. Oh my God, yes. we are going to start our very interesting chapter, plants around us. Okay, so बेसिकली प्लांट्स मतलब क्या होता है? छोटे छोटे पेड़ पौधे. उस आप गार्डन कभी गए होंगे तो आपने देखे होंगे, और एल्स इन योर होम ऑल्सो वन स्मॉल, योर मम्मा मेक्स वन स्मॉल एरिया एंड इन दैट यू कीप डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्मॉल स्मॉल प्लांट्स. जैसे कि आपके घर पे तुलसी होगा, या फिर नीम होगा, या फिर मनी प्लांट होगा, राइट? यस, आई नो. सो प्लांट्स अराउंड अस. अराउंड मतलब हमारे आसपास. हमारे आसपास जो भी पेड़ पौधे हैं, राइट? सी चिल्ड्रन, प्लांट्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ह्यूमन बीइंग. आपको पता है ना, plants are very important for human being. Okay, before starting any of the uses or any of the benefits of the plants and tree, let us see the main parts of the plant. So, are you ready? Yes, on the screen you can see the main 4 parts of the plant, right? See children, this is not in your book, but it is compulsory to know. To get know is very important कि plants में क्या क्या part होते हैं, वो कैसे काम करते हैं, right? Let us see. First is ROOT, root. ROOT, root. The root fixes the plant to the ground. It also takes in water from the ground. You can see the root. Yes. अच्छा, रूट जो है वो ग्राउंड के नीचे होता है, राइट? अब हम प्लांट ग्रो कैसे करते हैं? आपने देखा होगा, उसका भी एक प्रोसेस होता है. मिट्टी खोदते हैं, देन यू पॉट द सीड्स इन इट, देन यू कवर इट, देन यू वाटर इट, राइट? So with the help of sunlight, air, the plant grows. Right children? Yes, with the help of seeds, sunlight and air, the plants start growing. So basically under the ground there is the part of a plant that is known as ROOT, root, जहाँ से पेड़ start होता है. Okay? So what do the root do? The root fixes the ground. जो root है वो जड़ है, पेड़ की जड़ है, जिसकी वजह से पेड़ उगता है. ओके, इट ऑल्सो टेक्स इन वाटर फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड. जो हम पानी कहाँ देते हैं प्लांट्स में, ऐसे नीचे करके दे देते हैं ना, तो वो जो रूट्स हैं वो पानी एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं. ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट सेकेंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज स्टेम. द स्टेम होल्ड्स अप द प्लांट. जो स्टेम है वो प्लांट को ऐसे होल्ड करके रखते हैं. आपने देखा होगा स्टेम की वजह से तो उगते हैं ना प्लांट. यस. It also carries food and water to the different parts of the plant. So what is the function of the stem? Yes, it carries all the food and water to the different parts of the plant. जो स्टेम है, आपने देखा होगा स्टेम ऐसे स्टार्टिंग में सीधा, and after that there are many of the branches. So the stem carries food and water in each and every part of the plant. Okay. After that, most important, third important part is the leaf. Yes, children, leaves. Leaf makes food for the plant. जो leaves है वो पेड़ों के लिए खाना बनाते हैं. जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा आपके घर पे आपकी मम्मा खाना बनाते हैं, राइट? वैसे ही प्लांट्स को खाना कौन बना कर देते हैं? leaves. Okay, so leaves, how do leaves make food? Do you know? So let me know you. Let me tell you. The leaves make food with the help of sunlight and air. With the help of sunlight and air and water, leaves make the food for the plant. This process is known as photosynthesis. ये जो खाना बनाने की प्रोसेस है इसे क्या कहते हैं? Photosynthesis. Okay, so the chlorophyll present inside the leaf helps the leaf to make the food. Okay, it is green in color, that's why the leaves are green in color. Okay children? Yes, so leaves जो है वो basically tree के लिए या plant के लिए खाना बनाते हैं. Okay, that's why it is very important. After that, flower. Flower, flower. The flower grows into a fruit. See children, flower आप सबने देखे होंगे. There are number of flowers, rose, jasmine, lotus and many more, right? So ये सब किस पे grow होते हैं? Obviously plant पे grow होते हैं, right? जो फ्लावर है वो ग्रो होते हैं, उसके बाद वो धीरे धीरे वो फ्लावर किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं? फ्रूट्स में. किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं? फ्रूट्स में. Fruits have seeds which can later grow into new plants. See children, अभी जो आप फ्रूट खाते हैं उसके अंदर बहुत सारी सीड्स होंगी, राइट? जैसे चीकू के अंदर ब्लैक कलर की सीड होती है, मैंगो के अंदर एक बड़ी सीड होती है, राइट? दैट सीड्स कैन बी यूज्ड टू ग्रो द न्यू प्लांट. वो सीड्स हम फिर से जमीन में डाल के फिर से न्यू प्लांट ग्रो कर सकते हैं, राइट? So these were the main important parts of the plant which you need to know. Okay, and this was the process of growing a new plant. Okay children? Yes. So in today's EVS lecture, what we have learned? Yes, we have learned that there are many of the plants around us. There are many of trees around us. Okay, so basically there are mainly 4 parts of the plant: root, stem, leaf and flower. Okay children? Yes, you have to remember. You have to keep all these things in mind. कितने पार्ट्स होते हैं प्लांट के? मेनली देयर आर 4 पार्ट्स: रूट, स्टेम, लीफ एंड फ्लावर. ओके, so in next EVS lecture we are going to start the reading of the new chapter, that means this chapter. So pay attention in the next lecture. Meet me soon. Until that, keep memorizing these 4 parts of the plant. Okay, we will meet soon. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.